This is the best way to fix an Orbit sprinkler timer. Okay, so I've got an Orbit 6-station sprinkler timer that's been having some malfunctions, so I'm going to show you kind of what's wrong with it and the best way to fix it. So as you can see, it's not 7:34 a.m. It's actually close to 6-something p.m. And even though my zones are all set up and everything, if you just barely touch the dial, see that? It shows that the whole system is off, not on auto. Okay? So it says my day, month, and year is all set, and again, you just barely touch the dial and it'll see it's popping up that the whole system's turned off. It doesn't know my start times, it doesn't know my zone durations. See, it doesn't even know if it's on day of the week. So we'll turn this back to auto. It does have a battery backup, so if we unplug it here, see, it's running off the battery. And we've got no rain sensor. We've got the common ground. We've got 5 zones, and then the 24-volt power coming into it. So this is the best way to fix an Orbit sprinkler timer. Can't go wrong. Step 2, buy a Rainbird. Go ahead and hang it up here on the very same screw. Pop our cover off. Get our lower mounting screws. And get that. Put in tight. There we go. Next we'll get our power plugged in here. Done. Okay. And we're going to get our wires hooked up. Green, I don't have a master valve. Zone 1. Zone 2. Zone 3. Zone 4 and zone 5. Now we'll get it set up. It is (6:24 p.m.) is August 4th. I want my zones to run late in the evening. Let's do 11 p.m. for 20 minutes. Running every day of the week and once per zone. Zone 2. We'll do 20 minutes for all of them, only running once. And then once we see how the yard is doing on 20 minutes for each zone, we can come back and adjust how many there are. We don't have anything on zone 6. I don't need to make any seasonal adjustments. I don't have a rain sensor, so no rain delay. Now it's on the auto run. And as you can see, it's got the correct date and time. It tells you what time it's set to run. We'll pull out our tab here. So now the battery backup is going to memorize all of that. So even if we lose power, it'll still have all my settings. So then, let's try it out. Let's water all zones now. Let's see, it's going to zone 1 for 20 minutes. I don't remember which wire it is, goes to which zone. Oh. That's the side yard over there. Okay. Okay, so that's zone 1. Let's advance to zone 2. That looks like it's going to be the front yard. Okay, zone 3. These guys. Zone 4. These guys right here. And zone 5. Big ones back here. And that's everything because we don't have a 6th zone. Cool. And because it doesn't have a 6th zone, it automatically knows, go back to zone 1 and we're all done. And that is how you set up a Rainbird sprinkler timer to replace this Orbit POS.